One of my very favorite things is eggshells for when you're planting your tomatoes, and I will tell you why to keep these eggshells for healthy tomatoes. If you save your eggshells, now what you can do if you're going to say, if it's, the winter time or you're not ready to garden and you want to save your eggshells, what I do, these just have little coffee grounds on them. What I do is I rinse them a little bit under, a bit of hot water, and then I'll dry them a bit in the oven, just so that there's no bacteria on them. And then what I do is I crush these, and you can put them in your garden around your plants. So say you plant tomatoes, for instance, you're going to take crushed eggshells and you're going to put them around your plants. It does two things. Eggshells are great for calcium for the soil, so eventually they'll break down. But if you're putting it on top of the soil, what it's good for is it's great for eliminating little pests. It helps to keep pests away, like slugs, snails, cutworms, other little crawly pests. They don't like these sharp edges on the eggshells. And okay, I know this is a little disturbing, but nature knows what she's doing. These little cut edges of the eggshell actually cut slices into the pests and they die. So I know that sounds harsh, but you can't have these little pests ruining your tomato plants or whatever other plants you're using. So keep your eggshells, rinse them good under hot water, bake them for, maybe 350 for, 5 minutes in the oven, just to kill whatever bacteria is on them, and save them. Save them in a box or whatever you have, and then in the summertime, crush them and plant them around your plants, right? Nature knows what she's doing. She really does. So if you like this video, if you could press that little like button and subscribe to my channel, nanatheglamgardener, and don't forget to turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. And you have a great day.